Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best classroom posters is probably one of the most impactful and inexpensive ways to transform your classroom into a vibrant and engaging learning space. In this video, I will share my top picks for motivational posters, considering factors like design, messaging, durability, and overall impact on student motivation and classroom atmosphere, helping you create a learning environment that fosters creativity, collaboration, and a love for learning. Number 5. L&O Goods Black Chalkboard Art Posters. These aren't just posters, they're a vibrant collection of motivational art designed to inspire. Each one features a unique chalkboard design and inspirational quote, perfect for any space. With 10 different designs, you'll find the perfect message to brighten your home, office, or classroom. They're colorful, creative, and sure to uplift your mood. We're a small, family-owned business, proudly manufacturing these posters in the USA. Support small businesses and bring home quality craftsmanship. These posters add a touch of personality and positivity to any room. Their eye-catching colors and inspiring messages will transform your environment. Whether you're decorating a child's playroom or your own home office, these motivational posters offer inspiration for kids and adults alike. They help reinforce a growth mindset and promote positive thinking. These posters are more than just decoration, they're a daily reminder to stay positive and strive for success. Let them inspire you to reach your full potential. What we like. If you like the classic chalkboard aesthetic with a pop of color, this is a great option. It offers a variety of inspirational quotes to brighten any space. With 10 unique designs, you'll find the perfect message for your classroom. What people say. The company has 2 different sets of these posters, 10 in a pack. They're surprisingly sturdy. I thought they would just be regular, thin paper, but no. I think it's actually poster board, paper. Very strong and sturdy. These posters were exactly what I needed for my high school classroom. The design and choice of quotes are perfect for secondary students because they are not too cutesy. The quality of the poster really did not require it, which saved me time. The colors in the posters are striking and unique. The backgrounds are consistent so you can see the theme. They are well made, and I would ordinarily laminate them but haven't yet, only because they are placed where people won't be touching them and they will remain on display for an extended period. Number 4. Decorably 15 Motivational Posters. These posters offer uplifting messages and reminders of students' potential. Display them to create a motivating classroom environment and inspire your students. Inspire a growth mindset with these carefully designed posters. The lovely quotes and designs will encourage and motivate your students to learn and grow. Made with a matte laminated finish, they're non-glare and long-lasting. These posters are built to withstand daily classroom use for years to come. The engaging designs and easy-to-understand messages can be seen from across the room. They'll brighten up any classroom and keep students engaged. We want you to be completely satisfied. If you're not happy with your purchase, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. Buy with confidence. What we like. If you're looking for a large set of durable and easy-to-read posters, this is the one for you. The matte finish prevents glare, ensuring the messages are always clear. These posters are built to last for years of classroom use. Number 3. Hadley designs motivational posters. Looking for a way to inspire your students? These posters create a positive learning environment and encourage growth. Unlike other posters, these are made in the USA with thick, glossy cardstock, ensuring they'll last all year long. 9 by 14 posters fill your classroom with encouraging messages, keeping students motivated for success. These posters promote respect, honesty, and kindness, helping to maintain a positive classroom atmosphere. Inspiring messages like "Never give up" and "You can do hard things" foster a growth mindset in your students. We're confident in our product's quality and offer a lifetime manufacturer warranty. If there are any issues, we'll replace them. As a family-owned business, we're dedicated to helping you inspire your students to reach their full potential. Get your motivational posters today and transform your classroom into an encouraging and inspiring space. What we like. If you value quality and a rustic aesthetic, this set is perfect. Made in the USA with thick cardstock, it offers a charming farmhouse style. The motivational messages are ideal for creating a warm and encouraging learning environment. What people say. These work well in my classroom. They're a good size and sturdy, so they should last until I go with something else. The posters are very sturdy and have been holding up so well in the classroom. The large print makes them easy to read. I love the encouraging quotes on them. Number 2. Hadley designs motivational posters. Looking for a way to inspire your students? These posters create a positive learning environment and encourage growth. They're made in the USA with high-quality materials. Transform your classroom with 9/11 by 14-inch posters. They'll keep your students motivated and engaged throughout the year. Bright, colorful, and impactful. These posters promote respect, honesty, and kindness. They're perfect for creating a supportive and encouraging atmosphere for learning. The posters feature powerful messages like "Never give up" and "You can do hard things." They help students develop a growth mindset and believe in themselves. Unlike many other motivational posters, these are made right here in the USA with thick, glossy cardstock. You can trust their quality and durability. We're so confident in these posters that we offer a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. If you have any problems, we'll replace them with a smile. What we like? If you prefer a retro vibe for your classroom, this set is a fantastic choice. Made in the USA with durable cardstock, it offers a unique and stylish look. The motivational messages are perfect for a modern classroom with a vintage touch. What people say. These are good quality, sturdy, and a great size. They each have great sayings on them. Nice posters that brighten up my classroom. Number 1. Hadley designs motivational posters. Transform your classroom into a vibrant learning space. These posters will keep your students motivated and engaged throughout the year. Unlike other posters, these are made in the USA with high-quality, thick cardstock. They're built to last. You'll receive 9/11 by 14-inch posters, each filled with encouraging messages. They're perfect for creating a positive atmosphere. These posters promote respect, honesty, and kindness. They'll help create a supportive and encouraging classroom environment. Inspire a growth mindset with messages like "Never give up" and "You can do hard things." Help your students believe in their potential. We're so confident in our product that we offer a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. As a family-owned business, we're dedicated to helping you inspire your students to reach their full potential. Let us help you make a difference. What we like? If you want a vibrant and festive classroom atmosphere, this set is ideal. Made in the USA with thick cardstock, it brings a fun and energetic feel. The motivational messages are perfect for creating a lively and inspiring learning space. What people say. These were perfect for my HS math classroom. They are durable and were not delivered rolled up. Just as described, shown, pre-laminated for durability. Matched with all my decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.